September 4th, 2019. Jake Locksmith for Walton Beach, Florida, USA. People, do not watch this movie here. Do not watch this movie. This movie will have you losing your mind. This is a trip right here. I'm up early this morning. Look at that. Look at that. Man, I tell you, boy, these movies, they do things to me. I mean, man, they really do things to me. Don't watch this movie. Y'all be crazy and watch this movie you want to. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm asking you, don't do it. Don't do it. I done threw it down. I done threw it down now. Don't do it. 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 Look at that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Investigators are still searching for answers off the coast of California. Authorities now say that all 33 passengers and one crew member are presumed dead. The boat fire exploded so quickly off Santa Barbara's coast, the sheriff says there was likely no chance of escape for the 34 victims now presumed dead. The Mayday call came in from...
Ooh, Lord. Ooh, oh my, oh my.
All parts of the conception, taking a dinghy to Bob Hancock's boat.
I got to go. I got to go. I got to go like, subscribe my video, share my video. Please, y'all, help me. Help me. Subscribe to my videos. Share my video, like my videos. I will do the same for you all. YouTube people, YouTube video makers. Let's help each other. Let's help each other.